Hello there, second graders. It's Mrs. Russell again. I just wanted to start out and speak for all second grade teachers and tell you just how proud we are of how hard you guys are working on your daily activities each and every day. We are so proud of you. So I'm going to do Number Corner with you. This is our last one of the week. We're going to read the date together. Today is Friday, April 17th, 2020. If we write that date in words, we would have Friday, April 17th, 2020, and with numbers 4-17-20. Now let's take a look at the card itself. I hope you all made some predictions before we started today's video of what card 17 might have on it. So the last couple of days we've had some green beans, and then they started going away and we had some carrots. So today, what do you think might be on our card? Do you think it might be another plate with vegetables? Or do you think it might be a garden bed? Let's take a look. Let's zoom in so we can see what card 17 has. I'm starting to see something. Do you guys see a pattern? Today we have 3 carrots and 1 green bean. So let's add that to our calendar grid observation chart. Under the date, today is 4-17. We have another plate of vegetables, so we have to say we have a set. And we noticed that there were 3 carrots and 1 green bean. So 1 green bean and 3 carrots. So if we zoom out now, what do you think tomorrow's card, Saturday's card might be, and Sunday's card? We'll have to wait to find out what those ones are on Monday's video, but take a look and make some predictions. Maybe even want to write them down to see if you get it right on Monday. That's all for today. So you guys have a great weekend, and I can't wait to see you again. Bye.